Well, the main thing you could do, and people do it different ways. I used to do it by doing a lot of reading. I was practically lived at the Omaha Public Library for 3 or 4 years, and when I was 9 or 10 or 11. I mean, anything you do to improve your own skills, you never know where it's going to pay off later on. I have one diploma hanging in my office, and I got a couple of others, but the one diploma I have hanging up there is one I got from a Dale Carnegie course, which cost me $100 back in 1951. And it's incalculable how much value I got from that $100. There's nothing like working to improve your own skills, and I would say communication skills are the first area I would work on to enhance your value throughout life, no matter what you do. I mean, if I had stayed in the same position I was in terms of communicating back in 1950 or 51, my life would have turned out differently. I mean, I started selling securities. If you can't talk to people, you've got a real problem selling securities. So I think if you get lucky, you find your passion early on. But you want to work at something you're passionate about, and then you want to work to improve your skills in that. And I think if you do both of those things, I think you're likely to